there. I'm certain are trying to figure out what their planner lineup is going to be for 2024. If you already have yours, I am so envious because I'm right smack in the middle of trying to figure mine out. So for 2023, I used a half letter planner that I created myself. I created the cover. The monthly inserts I did not create. I downloaded them from Etsy. But I created my own layout, printed it myself, and I investigated different papers so I could make sure that I could stamp on it, because it was really important to me that I had freedom to be able to stamp with any color. I didn't want to worry about bleed through. And so it was really fun. I did this for all of 2023. So January through the end of November is in this one planner, which I really like. And then December, I went ahead and I separated that out because I kind of like to have a holiday planner. Excuse me. So this is the cover that I made for my December planner. And this is made from Planners Anonymous, a digital kit that they have available called Heartfelt Holiday, I think. I'll double check and I will make sure to link it below because it's beautiful. Just taking a drink of water so I don't cough. Anyway, so I created this and I put beautiful festive Happy Planner rings on it, discs on it, and it's just super cute. So this is my December. Same exact layout as I've used for all of 2023. This is the current week that we are in. It was super fun. I even did a video on this. We're here today. This is my bookmark. And then I went ahead and started decorating for or setting it up for next week as well. I love this large day stamp, and I love that you can mark how your day was. I've never used it. I've had it in my stash for a long time and never used it. So I'm really happy to kind of bring that out for next week. And then I used a candy cane number set from Close to My Heart, and it just came out really cute. I still have to decorate this little box right here, but it came out really cute. I really love it. So, and this is what my inserts look like when they're blank, and then I just have some blank dot grid paper in the back just for Christmas lists and stuff like that. So this is December, so eventually these will be all of my plans for 2023. And then I had a separate planner for my lists, and I had another separate planner for my budget. So now I'm thinking about 2024, right? So I'm like, okay, what am I going to do? I really did like this, but there was some things that I didn't like. And that is, even though I picked this paper because, and I think it's HP paper, it's a cardstock, and I liked it because, again, my inks didn't bleed through when I stamped in it, so it was perfect. And then I decided to do a half letter for the first time so that I wouldn't have any paper waste. I just printed and literally cut in half. So if by any chance you are intimidated by planner printables, go half letter. And it'll make your life so much easier. So, so yeah, I liked it, but I didn't have my lists in here the way I'm used to having my lists in previous years. So in previous years, if you've been following my channel, you probably know I was using a B6 Dutch door. And it had these lists in the back. And I loved it. But then when it came to 2023, I decided to move my lists into a different planner so I wouldn't have to rewrite them every week. But I really do miss, even though a lot of times I didn't even use it, but I really do miss having the lists. I really miss it. So as I'm rethinking or thinking about 2024 and wanting to still be able to stamp in my planner like I have, so I need good paper, but I do want to kind of reincorporate my lists, which I have to figure out how I'm going to do that. But what I have thought about so far, and I discovered this in my last video that I had just posted, but Archer and Olive dot grid paper is heaven. I mean, it is just such nice paper. And I did some stamp tests here and no bleeding. And so I realized that I could use this paper and I think I'll like it more. It's just smoother. It's just, I don't know, it just feels a little more luxurious than what I had picked for this year's planner. So I went ahead and during the Black Friday sales and stuff, I had originally bought this mini notepad and this A5 notepad. And then last week when I was recording a video, when I was starting my December planner, I was like, oh my gosh, I could take these apart and I can use this paper to create a planner for 2024. So I went ahead and I bought 3 more pads because they were on sale. So I have my paper. That part is totally figured out. I'm going to use Archer and Olive dot grid paper. I think it's amazing. It's beautiful. I love the rounded corners on one side. I mean, I just think so far the foundation of the planner, being the paper, is going to be 100%. I'm going to love it. So that's why I have all these notepads here, because I'm going to take them apart and use them as paper to run through my printer to create my own planner. So I'm going to keep you updated with that. I just got to really think it through because like you'll see here. So right now my week is on 4 pages. So I have a decorative page, and then I have Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, and then Thursday, Friday, Saturday, Sunday. Okay, and then it starts again. Now, I could use this part to create my lists, but part of me doesn't want to because I like this. I like to decorate this for the week. It's kind of like making a card, and I'm a card maker. So, like, this is like making a landscape card. So, maybe what I'll do, because I'm pretty sure I have enough paper here. I have enough paper for definitely a 2024 planner. I bought this much just to make sure, just in case I did a Dutch door A5, you know, just in case. I just wanted to make sure I had enough for if I did dailies or if I did a week on 4 pages. So maybe what I can do is my list, maybe even actually I could use this. I could insert this. Let's just take a page out. I'm just thinking this out with you. But maybe even I can have my list like this, just kind of inserted in there. Maybe. Or I could cut this in half and have half sheets or something like that. But basically, I think I'm going to pretty much keep it the same like this. And then what I'm going to do is I'm going to have to figure out how to incorporate my lists into this planner, one way or another. I mean, it would be easy to do if I did a Dutch door, because I did it in my B6. But anyway, just something to think about. I just wanted to let you know that this is the direction I'm going. I'm going A5. Printing on Archer and Olive gorgeous dot grid paper that will withstand my stamping. So I'm going to go ahead, I'm going to browse Etsy and see what printables are available for A5, just in case there's something better than what I had designed for 2023. You never know. I may find the answer to my problem where I can incorporate enough room to journal, use my vertical stickers, that's why I like these vertical columns I created, and to be able to incorporate lists. So we'll see what I find out. So stay tuned. I will be back to share what I find and what I end up doing. I just wanted to kind of jump in really quick and show you this stack of notepads because I thought it was hilarious. I just had to share it with you. So that's as far as I've gotten with 2024 planners. If you know what you're doing, put it in the comments. I'm curious to know what your lineup is, or if you have a video of your lineup, please link it below because I'd love to watch it. I've been binge watching all these different 2004 planner lineups, and I'm realizing that I pretty much just want 2 planners. I want a budget planner, and then I want my everyday with my lists. And yeah, don't want to have too many separate planners. So anyway, I will talk to you guys soon. Go ahead and tell me that I'm crazy in the comments below for buying all these notepads, and I will talk to you later. Bye-bye.